Hello and welcome to the subject of medical terminology. Today we are going to discuss about composition of medical terminology. Medical terminology is composed of a prefix, a root word and suffix. This has already been pointed out in our first lecture when we talked about affixes. So just keep in mind that any medical terminology is composed of either a prefix, root, word and suffix. Prefix. A prefix is placed at the beginning of a word to modify or change its meaning. Pre means before. Prefixes may also indicate a location, number or time. Pre means before, and prefix we already know is placed at the beginning of a word. We have already talked about in detail. And pre means before. Prefixes sometimes may also refer to a location, number or time. We will have examples in this context. Root, central part of a word. Suffix, the ending part of a word that modifies the meaning of the word. Now look for medical prefixes used for numbers. For example, we have hemi. It is a prefix. It means half. So hemi is a prefix and it means half. If you want to add this prefix to another word, to the root word, plegia, you will have the meaning of half. Like hemi, plegia, means hemi is prefix and plegia related to a type of medical category. So hemiplegia means paralysis of one side half of the body. Means hemi, wherever you find hemi word attached to the root word, it means half. We will have more examples in this context in the next lesson. Suffixes used for medical terminology. AC, it is a suffix. Cardiac, pertaining to the heart. So here if you divide this word into two parts, then we have cardi means heart. This cardi means heart, and cardiac, when we add AC, cardiac, it belongs to this word pertaining to the heart, belonging to the heart, any matter concerning heart. Next, prefix, root, that is to say root word, and suffix used for medical terminology. Pericarditis, card, it is a root word, it is a root word. Itis, it is a suffix. If you put all three together, peri, prefix, card, root word, and itis, suffix, together it becomes pericarditis. It refers to two thin layers of a sac-like tissue that surround the heart, hold it in place and help it work. A small amount of fluid keeps the layers separate so that there is no friction between them. So we have seen that prefixes used for medical terminology, suffix used for medical terminology, and here we have putting all three together, prefix, root and suffix. We will have more examples like this in the next lesson. Thank you and goodbye.